Hakini kikinas ngi kibradap kasang hinyotap youth council din bakalayo jagajung ujor bakitin kibra sam dak housing department lembaki block office kidi kitin kibra shule buitu namar ba hakat kontrak ngani kajung tho ang bagi di kitin kiba kajung kalong point 9 mm kat bakitin pat kidai kibatang point 8 mm. Yagini kitin la supply line salan dak company banapo West Bengal kabakateng Haryana Private Limited kasang amtang bakala ujon ni kalai manjurip bulu yagini kitin apa office jangki block. Hendrai nak kalang jong umatri katnat housing umarkis armarak ulo ang begini kitin kim di setia kitin CGI hendai kitin aluminium kiba khamha wala kistangaru ne wala kataru na wala kalang jong ulang hadi mulayo jeng ujar ulo thong dekat departmental inquiry dan deman toket la kani kajing lap juga seng HYC kadai ni em kabashisha.
2-3 days back I received a complaint through my mail from HYC. They have complained that the CGI sheets which is being distributed to the people through housing department is of not quality that department is supplying. For this issue, I have verified from the departments. This is all as per the specification, as per the requirement agreed upon with the company. It is supplied to the people. And we have gone for the supply of corrugated aluminum sheet instead of CGI sheet, which is corrugated galvanized iron sheet. Iron sheets are heavier, but aluminum sheets are lighter, but better, very much better, lighter, and then lasting wise, aluminum sheets are more lasting. It's having more lasting because CGI sheets are getting rusted very soon. So therefore the department has decided to procure aluminum sheets through proper tendering process which has been done last 2 years back, in the year 2022 in the last government. So the company was given tendering of 24 months. So 24 months ended this year in the month of March. So therefore, we don't have any option but to give to them. And the materials supplied by them are also of good quality as per the specification. Nonetheless, this NGOs has also put up a complaint. They have gone to the storerooms of the housing department. So I have ordered an inquiry. We are going for a proper inquiry now, and only after the inquiry I will be able to justify whether we are procured the same quality which we have already placed an order for supplied. So therefore I'll get back to you once the inquiry is completed.
Kini ngalam kasang HOC apo kajung nam jong ba roi ka pasan ram hadin bek li yakani kajung panchai kajung jubam jong menteri katar housing kam shimla hon setia bat menta kasi kali ban ujono akam mikhle lok ayukta an persya yakani kajung kran menteri ke bawa lara kaseng kana lap bakana bakitin kinang ki pastang hande menteri ulayada.
Nakaliang ngajongi kung kaseng hadin bahag ni katayo ko beladap ngilat ko ya kajing tho ka office jong chief minister jong deputy CM bakum juru jong minister in charge jong housing department alor kajing lap kajongi ba kadon ka aka baidei bakani kajing sami kini kitin sop yeng markat kum kajing let page kajongi haki block kiba fair bat kum kajing yo jing ujor kajongi laong ba kitin kiba kajing sya ka director jong housing kipan no new supplier ban wanra ite kitin kibalong kajing urban jongka kadai 45 mm regi kiba poi pat po block kidai kibatang 25 adu 28 mm ti hadin mangilap ha yang kani kajing thua ngilabu ra kawi kajing dawa bakata kalong baka sarkar kadai ban pelong yang kajing tokit but badai ban thung nu officer ba lada tokit udai ban khot lang yang ngiru bangin let cecaka ban pet lani ban lap yang kajing sisya Rekat kum ka statement ka bang yoi ka bau minister in charge ng housing menin ka singi Ukraine uong ba nakaliang jo ka department hak hakawai kaliang wong ba latung ya ka departmental inquiry ya ka ba on kli daw joint secretary la ne da ka joint secretary dah ka ju ka poru la dep ai lepa kata ka karai ba kamdon e ka jingle bakla la ne ka jing pendon kam bakla yu pa ba namar minister menen por bo ai ka statement wong ba kitin ki ba poe ki block ki de kitin ki bakat kum ka specification ya ka ba ka director jong housing la ne ka department ka pa ka mut ba kani ka jing thung inquiry departmental inquiry jong ka housing department ka dei tang ban pendep rukom tengim ngim sngohon ya kani ka jingle jong ka sarkar lembaga housing department kumta menta ka sngi nilawan hapo ka office jong ka Meghalaya Lukayukta ban file ya ka complain hapo ka section 20 la ne ka section ba arpo jong ka Meghalaya Lukayukta Act arja khatsa ban kerpat ban bu ka jing kerpat ban ujor ningkong ban ujor ya ka director jong ka housing namar kumba kalong hi ka office ka bapenmi ya ka tender haka khatwai kadai ka office jong ka director of housing kaumbot ba kanong thiet ya kini kitin kadai ka director of housing tingi na kaliang jong kaseng nga kum president ngami kumutaw complainan la ne unong ujor persya ya kanong sya complain la ne kanong sya ujor ka badai ka director jong housing temata ka singi ngilawan banbu ya ka complain ga jongi harangkat ki kot kisla ki bang ngila ailang hakani ka complain ka jongi ka bang ngila ayo bonwan bu ka office jong secretary jong ka Lukayukta kijing pan kijong dawa kijong ka baningkong kalong naka Lukayukta kalong bakadai ban pelong ya kajing tokit namar ba Lukayukta kat kumkaan jong snem arja khat aw ka arja khatsa kadon la ka jong ka inquiry wing ka ba ki police officer kila ban investigate la ne ban inquire ban tokit halor kani ka complain ka jongi te kata ka kijing dawa ka baningkong berkabar la dalap bat hakaju ko por ka baar kalong ba kini kitten bro khat balapoy kini blocks kibadon menta kum ka Shela CNRD block ka Jirang CNRD block ka Nongstone CNRD block ka balapoy kiten ya menta kum kini bro khat kide ban wanra lut lane ban pan pilot cha knang ba kinom sam chikipat ba kumangalong itu kisngi ka jing sam kini kiten hakajaka ba kanlong ka jing yarap ya kinong song kanlong panban ka jing tem namar batang syuhab upria tang sujur ka leer hap tong umau berit kini kiten kilapay ilai i ka jing kren jong we ni kinoelam jong haki ka we ni ki block bong ba kiten ki basam kamtam e niutin basan ni snem ki bala snem badang shu dem ki ong ba kinong yo e kini kiten kilawan ut hapo block namar ba kite kiten ki bomba tengi na kaliang jong kaseng ni dawa ya ka Meghalaya Lukayukta po ka jing alam jong chairman ni ba bidhar ba secretary ba arab thap bakin shim ya kani kam bakin investigate lani kin tokit bat kidi ban pensitom ya kibriu ki badon benta la kalong bakadon kajing penserwaka ya kapisa jong pat ba dei ban pensitom kita namar la da pipet ya kan notice inviting tender jong sedam ajar huar ka value jong ka tender notice ka dei arpo krur tingka akaba on penpoy gini kitin habaro ki CNRD blocks ki badan yang ni ka jela ka jongi teka arpo krur tingka kam dei ka pisa ka berit hoi nakata le si kani kajing wanra jong kini kiten jaka banyo ban wanra di kisausan la wanra di arpsan le si kadon kajing pendon kambak la hang ni hang tai da manu ya kani kipisa ba yang kani kipisa jong pat ba teknang ban lap ya kajing sisa ngiwan ban bu ya kani ka complain akmat jong ka Lukayukta ba nikme lenti ba ka Lukayukta kan simkam kumba ka kam ka jong ka kadai ban tokit ban pensitom ban file case gitu ki public servant ki boang kinong tre sarkar nama ka director jong housing kadai kinong tre sarkar jong ka sarkar kidi ban pensitom kat kumutukaan bat ngikmi lenti balang ba kani ka jingwan ra ka jongi ka Lukayukta kan simkya bat kan le ka badan kap te kata kadai ka jingwan jong imta si apo